Sit down. What's your name?
Nikhil.
Nikhil?
Sir.
Alright, you gotta cover Nikhil as well. So Nikhil, what are we gonna do?
Okay, we are gonna wear this harness, okay?
Okay.
So it can be wear in two steps, okay? Just leave the strap right here, please.
Alright.
So it's like wearing a pant, okay? Hold the straps right here, okay? Lower it down and now put your feet through the holes one by one. Yes? One and two. That's it. Pull it up.
Arsh. So we're going to do rock climbing today.
Right.
This is the first time I'm trying rock climbing. Arsh is a very fit guy and he has done a lot of various different kind of adventure sports. So he's actually coaching me in terms of how to do rock climbing today. He's going to super up on rock climbing. So Arsh, tell me what are the tips what we should be aware of?
Alright, so one is I already told you, right?
Yeah.
3 points should be stable.
Yeah.
Number 2, this is not a race.
Yeah.
You need to be stable, go slow.
Okay.
Visualize what you're going to do before you do it. Don't ever do anything without visualizing it first. So you need to know my leg will go like this, I'll push up like that, and then you execute it.
Okay.
And follow what you plan.
Okay.
Other than that, have fun.
All right. Cool. Super. Enjoy the video.
Wait.
Yeah.
You can't have 2 loops. You understand what I mean by that? 2 loops. Like if your 2 feet and 1 hand
Yeah.
will always be in a stable spot. Only one thing can be stable. Either one leg or one hand. You can't have 2 things fixed.
Okay. Got it.
Right? So ideally you need to get a good grip and then use your leg to push up. That's all.
Okay.
This is just for balancing. Don't pull yourself up.
So you don't need to use your hand strength
No,
at all.
don't use your hand.
Okay. Cool. You're doing.
Round 1.
Yeah, successful.
Freaking awesome. Oh my God. What an amazing, you got to experience rock climbing. It was just a wonderful experience. You were saying that you're going to be using only your feet. Man, my hands are all tight. Gotta use both. At times you gotta use your hands as well. But it was a good experience.
Round 2.
So we did rock climbing. I hope you enjoyed the rock climbing. That was my second attempt or the third attempt. Good fun experience overall. I hope you enjoyed it.